welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. And Maxine had this to say as she reviewed a tape that was playing. And basically, she's saying that it's a lot of things that has been said. And that's about everyone, basically, and on social media. So go ahead and go catch the video and hear what she has to say about this, hear her review. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies and that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
Positive shit on your page. Post all my videos on your
Ashanti in the course. In go and cuss everybody. In go and cuss Fran Dana, 13, Lady V, Chit Chat. Everybody they get piece of our tongue. People, everybody they get piece of Judas tongue. Everybody they get piece of Judas tongue. Judas tongue. Remember Judas tongue? Oh, yes.
I'm here for a reason. You're a woman. You could have been my aunt or something, but you too busy. So you tell that same boy that was at your house,
Ashanti.
tell him I got $2,000 for him. Tell him. You tell him that for me. That's your friend.
Ashanti.
How am I not being fair? I'm not being fair because I don't like that motherfucker named Shitty 360. I'm not supposed to be fucking fair with that motherfucker. If he gonna play a grown-ass woman like you, I'm not supposed to be fair with his pussy ass. I'm supposed to care about you and your family that is decent. I'm here for a reason. You're a woman. You could have been my aunt or something, but you too busy. So you tell that same boy that was at your house, tell him I got $2,000 for him. Tell him. You tell him that for me. That's your friend. How am I not being fair? I'm not being fair because I don't like that motherfucker named Shitty 360. I'm not supposed to be fucking fair with that motherfucker. If he gonna play a grown-ass woman like you, I'm not supposed to be fair with his pussy ass. I'm supposed to care about you and your family that is decent. I'm not supposed to give a fuck about no Ashanti 360. Not the second job I do or the first job. Don't give a fuck about that nigga. You don't know when somebody real come across your path and telling you that enough is enough. I'm not one of them. I am not one of them. You don't know when somebody real come across your path and telling you that enough is enough. I'm not one of them. I am not one of them. I don't know who throw you up under a bus, but whoever throw you up under a bus, you let me know. Because I'm attacking everything. Ashanti ain't shit. Lorraine ain't shit for trying to play you at your own house. So what else? Don't play with me, miss. Do not play with me because I'm not one of them. I am here for a cause and I'm here for a reason. You're a woman. You could have been my aunt or something, but you too busy. So you tell that same boy.
In cuss Ashanti like a dog. Me name call her in the Tory. Never call her if you can defend me. Never call her if you can defend Donna. Never call her if you can defend nobody. Oh, all of them here, like, all of them here where you hear me they play, it gone from 22. But because she have them, and she's going to sell them to Legendary, and she going to sell them to everybody on social media. And Queen Bee come out and play somebody live, and she did it, they name up herself and what she say from what she not say, but I know me they talk. Me not talking there. Me I make she one talk. Me dey make she one talk, cause me no want she go say, and me put that the word there, and I me put that the word there. You understand? And since then they carry belly for me, and still they threaten me, and go on with themselves. Me they go put a stop to it once and for all. Me have one more fire for burn. You now go burn tonight, but me have one more fire for burn. And that's it.
What do you mean? Learn your values, miss. It's a fucking shame that one lady forgive everybody. You said it yourself. You understand what I'm saying? So what the fuck is wrong with that? I told everybody not to disrespect you under my damn live because it's not like that. So what? Because I have decency? Let's go. I'm here. I just got back in my crib. See, I've been watching you, man. I've been watching you and I love you, man. You understand? I'm just up for work, but overall, I love you. You hear me? I ain't go to Jamaica in a while and use a gardener. And you have your team them. Me wouldn't love to buy some guinea and things like that from you. I love you and I respect you. Them people that try to use you, I mean, I like it. I don't like it. And I love and respect you, mom. I watch you, but me can't watch negativity because I watch this now. It no feel go on. You understand? And overall, man, when me speak, please just listen with understanding. Yeah? I'm in love with you, know. I just can't know, man. When you put yourself out there, people are gonna love or hate. I am not a nationer, I'm not a planker, I'm not none of that. I'm just somebody that was watching. And the boy, the Ashanti, too disrespectful. I mean, I like him. I mean, do want him to leave if he near anywhere near you. Straight up. Yeah, you could have been my auntie. You hear me? You could have been my daughter. And I much love manners, respect. And
I could be her daughter. Oh, anybody can explain that part to me. I could be her daughter. This no look good. Then they mad out. Then they mad right out.
Auntie Maxine, I told you, I would never, I don't know how y'all run y'all thing. I don't have a platform. I'm from the streets. If I say don't do something on my page, I mean it. I told them not to disrespect you at all. When I was getting ready to play it, that's clear in the air for everybody. You understand what I'm saying? Why don't you get all my other damn videos and post them? If I'm going to stand up for women, I'm going to stand up for them. The only bitch that I won't stand up for is that bitch that be under his shit. That boy don't mean y'all no fucking good. I am the wrong one. You told him I'm waiting for him to bust my windows out.
Ashanti in the talk.
How can you say that? Miss Maxine, Auntie Maxine, how in God green earth that give you breath in your body, how can you not say that? Are you not listening very well, miss? You gotta be listening to my lives now. You have to. That's the only thing I can tell you.
Me they listen.
I just believe that you're lying. Because I know you heard what I said. You had to hear what I said to them. If you go back to the other one when I was playing it, just I think yesterday or the day before, you could clearly hear it again. So
It is going to come on. Judas is going to come on. And Judas they go fighting one word. Remember me not talk. Me not talking and not saying nothing at all. But Judas, they go come, and Judas, they go talk over the live, and Judas, they go chat everything what Judas want to say. Me not saying nothing. You know nothing, I am not saying nothing. Make Judas one chat.
sir, we don't have no differences. Miss Max, I swear to God, I respect you from day one. don't like this, I'ma never know because we'd have a busy schedule. Right before you tell me, I see my seat over there, someone talking about it. You understand? And I just feel like need to check up on you because I love and you looked it so beautiful in Jamaica when you went to go and see Donna, you know? I'm wanting to keep the energy. I'm so highly pissed off.
Did it said I looks good when I goes to Jamaica? Did he just said I looks good when I goes to Jamaica? Eh? Yes. Did it said I looks good when I goes to Jamaica? Then what the problem now? Me look 10 times better now when me went to Jamaica. What the problem? Go on.
I will talk about it. I am the viewer that will talk about this. You hear me? I will talk about it.
Love take up people business.
God bless you and your grandkids then. And may they have success in whatever they do in life. Big up to your family. But I will talk about it. You best believe that. Just stay tuned for them casket dolly there because I may give them the name. I tell you, because that's nasty. Here. Telling you, Archie.
Me want them don't talk. That's
No, Auntie, I block you. I block you. Because if you see it on your thing, I started following you. I started following you so you will see it. But I block you. Just go and look at it. No, man, just send out the bits and pieces. We shut up. Pardon me. We shut up about your grandkids and what you do.
In the talk Laurie now. In chat everybody.
And I know this, you're right. I never hear nobody talk about this yet until recent, which is not right at all. But it's okay. That's all right.
Laurie in the chat.
Don't worry about it. Just send me just a little part down where you feel like it's necessary. Because I am a bright young person and I know how to dissect stuff. And I got you. Hi, Miss Maxine. How are you? This is Stacy. I was wondering, was it okay for me to play her short clips that you sent me? Someone can't tell her about herself.
Laurie in the talk.
Auntie Maxine, listen here. Don't worry about it. I don't know if you look at my video with the live when I play the little clippings of the record with where the gal that's about your grandbabies them. But I put them under my wings and Auntie Maxine, I've been respecting you. I'm not gonna make that girl there or the other one, not casket dolly number one.
Me name Auntie Maxine, me name Mummy, me name every name in the book. Then I wear my name gone now all of a sudden. Desperation, man. Desperation. Desperation.
I always felt like you was a beautiful woman and all of these things. You have proven the world. It was a very beautiful outcome. Keep on pressing on and keep loving on your grandchildren.
I have proven to the world that Donna was a liar. I have proven to the world that Donna was a liar. This then story are deep. I never see. Me no know who in thinking bad. In smell bad. That's the problem. Then I learn, With everything what they go on in a social media. They not learn. They not learn. Then come out and then threaten same way. And then do them bullshit same way. They not learn. Not learning.
You need to know to big up yourself and to just enjoy yourself with your beautiful family. Enjoy yourself with your beautiful family because that the girl is a casket dolly number 2 and that's Lorian and the other one a casket dolly number 1. Don't worry about them bags there. And you look way better than them, so you ain't got nothing to worry about. Big up to your family, them, and big up to you, and big up to your grandchildren, them. And that's from off the streets, from my streets to where I'm at right now. And God bless you, yeah? Alright, big up yourself. And me wait for you to send me whatever, but if my head trick, I just gotta tap them because they're not right, and I don't care. You understand? But Uno, take it to the highest or whatever y'all gotta do and teach the girl something because she an auntie girl. She mad because y'all use a grandmother, a auntie, and a mother. Them girl they don't have that alone. Them a auntie girl, granny girl, mama girl, and all them type of stuff. You know that ain't no good, Auntie Maxine. Big up yourself. Much love, yeah? Yes. We go and talk, Auntie.
Me not talk.
I got work right now, so I'm not gonna be by the phone. I'm really too much like kind of being at the office and then in at the back. And in at the back is no good reception, but as soon as I come home, I'm just, Auntie, I hate it, but God know way I do. And just tell your daughters just go and hold the fort and your son go and hold the fort. Because God not sleep. That woman here get trouble from a long time. And it's not right. And I'm glad I'm able to use my voice and use it for you, your daughter, your son, and your grandchildren because it's absolutely foolishness where I go on. But more love. And when we get out at 1 o'clock, just send me where you send me and I'll call you. Yeah, Auntie? And big up yourself. Enough love. Salute to you, your kids, and your grandkids. God bless. All right.
Them a thing I want to
So, Auntie, these is all the things, all of them. When she talk about she a pop barrel in her, I never show them.
Yes.
So all that talking that there, that she a do, when she a be ignorant and rude to you and your grandchildren, then that means that she took a whole store out then, Auntie. She need to return your items then. If I all of them this, me go clown her out. Because I agree with you. Because you not tell the people, you not tell the public nothing. I lie, you tell the public.
When you want to see people sitting there in your corner, play a fool. Play a fool. Then woulda name you out. Then woulda drink you out. Then woulda chat you out. Then woulda lyrics you out. Me not talking at the video them. Cause me the people them who they record the video them want to hear the story. And me notice say when me chatting at the video, then can't hear the story. And then she open for her big mouth and she talk over it and talk over it and talk over it. Well, we not talking tonight. We only they play.
I went again night. Alright? Okay.
Me all want sleep. Tired from morning.
Alright, me get off at 12 today. And me go come when I come home. I go look on them and I go get right back with you. But I got a short day today, yeah? And good morning to you and God bless you. Yeah. Auntie Max, good morning. Just checking in on you. How is everything? Everything good? Alright, big up yourself, Auntie. I get off at 2 today. I get off at 2 o'clock today. So, we link up then, yeah? Until then, take care of yourself.